Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Salsa Chile De Arbol. First, dry roast about 20 to 25 chilies de arbol in a dry pan over medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes until they are fragrant and slightly darkened. Be careful not to burn them. Next, add 3 to 4 Roma tomatoes and 2 cloves of garlic to the same pan, roasting until they are softened and lightly charred on all sides. This process brings out their natural sweetness and a smoky depth. Once your chilies, tomatoes, and garlic are roasted, transfer them to a blender. Add about 1/4 cup of water and a half teaspoon of salt. Blend the mixture until it reaches your desired consistency. Some prefer a smoother salsa, while others enjoy a chunkier texture. Taste and adjust the salt if needed, ensuring a balanced and vibrant flavor profile for your delicious salsa. After blending, pour your salsa into a small saucepan. Bring it to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. This simmering process is crucial as it allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully, creating a more complex and harmonious taste. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Your salsa is now ready to be enjoyed warm or chilled. Your homemade Salsa Chile De Arbol is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it with your favorite tacos, scrambled eggs, or as a vibrant accompaniment to grilled meats. For best results, let it sit for a few minutes before serving to allow the flavors to fully develop. Store any leftover salsa in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen needs. This salsa is sure to become a staple in your home.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.